how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb beginner level 2. Now in the last lesson we learned to do this. But in this lesson we will learn to do this. Now, what did I just do there? I played chords on the right hand. What is a chord? A chord is when you pick a note, skip the next one, play the next, skip this, and play this. That's a chord. And what is this chord called? It is called the C chord or the Do chord, because the first note is the C or the Do. Alright? Now, if I come here and do this, that will be the Fa chord or the F chord, because it's C, D, E, F. That's the first note, or Do, Re, Mi, Fa. So this Do chord, Re chord, Mi chord, Fa chord, So chord, La chord, Ti chord, and Do chord. Also known as C chord, D chord, E chord, F chord, G chord, A chord, B chord, and C chord. Now, Mary Had a Little Lamb started from so the first note there is Mi. And what chord can you find Mi in? You can find Mi in this chord, the Do chord. Mi is there. You can also find Mi in the Mi chord, but it is always better to start your song with the Do chord, especially the beginning of the song. So we're still on the Do chord because Mi is in the Do chord. Go to Re. Which chord has Re in it? The So chord. This is Re, Do, Re. Right? Other chords have Re in it, but So chord is the best to use for now. We are going back to Mi, So, So. That means we'll have to jump back to Do. Jump back to So. So that's how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb beginner level 2.